Hello guys, welcome back to another video. If today is the first day you're see my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. My returning subscribers, thank you, welcome, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. So guys, today's video, if you want to know how to cook this yummy and delicious fried rice, then keep on watching guys. This is the best fried rice recipe you will ever try. Trust me, this rice tastes so good, so yummy. Okay, so if you want to know how to cook, make you sit down, relax and enjoy the video. I beg, if today is the first day you see my channel, and you not forget to subscribe, may you like, comment and share. So guys, let's dive into the video guys. So for this recipe I'm going to use turkey. So this time my turkey already washed and clean. So I just add my seasoning, curry, thyme, not I just add all my seasoning basically. Okay, so guys, if you use any seasoning of your choice, okay. So these are onions, then salt, okay. Then I just put everything together, then I can cover and make it simmer for some time. So after like 2 to 3 minutes, after it does simmer, then I can put water. Okay, so guys, I beg, make I remind una again, make una not forget to share my video guys. I beg, make una dey share my video. Okay, thank you. So then I can cover and I can simmer for some time, then I can put water. This now water, I just put water to cover the meat, then I can cover and make it cook. So guys, our meat is done ready. After 20 minutes it's done ready, so I can begin fry. So guys, make una enjoy the rest of the video.
Sexy ladies, come back. Now the love way I see when they give me the liver. I be ghetto boy, I be sinner. Fear nobody, only Jehovah. I dey thank God I dey go far. No same but would I labor. Shout to me in the corridor. Bandana loli biti tupa. Midnight walkers karashika. Them never see me coming, coming. But where one is coming. Now job boy where they blow money, we blow money. Oh she sugar daddy. Them never see me coming, coming. But where one is coming. Now job boy where they blow money, we blow money. Oh she sugar daddy.
So my people, the rice is done ready. So now make we fry our veggies. So I can put my pan for fire, then I can put groundnut oil. The groundnut oil I can all small. Then I can put onions. This now diced onions. Then I can fry the onions for like 2 to 3 minutes. So after I don't fry, then I can put my gizzard. This not gizzard, sorry, I can put gizzard. The gizzard that I cook, okay. I can cut them to this size, okay. Then I can put them, I can fry them for some time. So guys, after I don't fry for some time for like 2 to 3 minutes, then I can put my veggies. This not carrots, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, green beans. Then I can add everything inside. Then I can begin fry. Guys, look at these veggies guys. At this point my house they scent, everywhere they scent. I cannot wait to dive this food guys. I cannot wait. So guys, then after it all fry for some time, then I can add the many onions, then and fresh pepper. Okay, this now diced onions and fresh pepper. Then I can add I can sprinkle some salt. Sorry guys, I lost the clip. I sprinkle some little salt, okay, just to fry the veggies. Then after it all fry for some time, then I can add them inside my rice. Yes guys, this recipe is very easy, you know, they take much time. At this point my rice done ready. Okay, it done ready. Yes guys, then I can stir everything together. Guys, this rice tastes so good guys. It tastes so yummy. It tastes so good. Okay, so guys, if you watch me up to this time and you never subscribe, what do you see the wait for? Wait till you see the wait for. Make you subscribe, okay, like, comment and share. Beg, make una dey subscribe to my channel, make una dey share my video. Okay, So guys, then I just stir for some time. I just stir fry for some time. After that, my rice don ready. My rice don ready. Okay, me and my family, we really enjoy this rice, guys. We really enjoy this rice. So guys, that's it. We have come to the end of this video. Hope una learn one or two. If you learn one or two, you don't forget to give me big thumbs up. Okay, give me a huge thumbs up. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I'll see you now again for my next one. Now bye.